Good morning. How many questions we had solved?
Sir, 27.
Is it? We had solved this
26.
number of factors. This was the last question.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Two
Now
was
we
the
shall.
answer.
Now we are in the 27 question.
All right.
27.
We shall
No,
discuss
sir.
question 27 onwards.
No, sir.
Yes, sir.
22.
Hmm?
22, sir. 27.
Sir, no, sir.
22.
27 onwards.
22 is this 57 p square
27
q r.
onwards, sir. We have done this,
Sir,
sir.
we have done this, sir.
Yeah, we have done this. I remember a plus b whole square. It is having two factors, a plus b and a plus b.
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Now we
we
shall
done it,
move
sir.
on.
27th onwards.
27th question. The factorized form of 3x minus 24 is. Here we need to take
Option B,
common.
sir.
Option B, sir.
Option B,
3
sir.
is being common.
3
It
is
is
common.
x minus 8. So 3 times of x minus 8 is the right answer. This is in the form of a square minus b square, which is a plus b into a minus b. We have to apply this identity to expand this. So x plus 2 into
Option
x
number
minus.
B.
Option B, sir.
Option B.
Sir, option B.
Sir.
Very
Option
good.
B.
Option B is the right answer.
Yes, sir. The value.
Yes,
Question
sir. Option B.
29. The value of
Option B.
Sir,
unit
option A, sir.
divide.
3x. Sir, option D.
Option D, sir.
So there is no chance that negative answer will not be there.
Yes, sir. Positive, sir.
Here, one of the x
Yes, sir.
remains. Y get cancels.
Why be cancelled, sir? 3x, sir.
Yes, sir.
Only 3x is
Yes,
the
sir.
answer. Very good.
3x, sir. Option
The
number D.
Sir,
value,
2x
the
square
value
plus
of
2.
this. Why?
Option B,
Sir,
sir.
2x plus
Sir,
2.
2x square.
Option A.
X by x square plus 2b, sir.
B.
In this
B.
first,
B.
we have to take 2
Sir,
common.
answer is B, sir.
We will be getting x square
Sir,
plus
answer is
2.
B, sir.
When you
2 1
divide
0, 2 1
this
0,
by
sir.
2,
X
2
square
will
plus
get
2.
cancelled. Only x square plus 2 remains.
Yes, sir.
So hope it's clear.
So the option number B
Yes.
is correct, sir.
Okay, sir. 31st question. The value of there is a expression given divided by a monomial. We know that each term has to be divided. So when you divide this first term, x square remains. So there is no chance that 3x cube will be there.
Yes, sir.
This chance is
Option
not
B, sir.
there. So in option A and D, we have to
Sir,
search.
option number D, sir.
Option D.
Option
Why
number
why
D.
not A?
Here, where
Why
is
not
the-
A, Uday?
Sir,
There 9 is written,
Yeah.
sir. But
Because, sir,
it will
sir,
remain.
Here, if you observe, only 9 is there. Actually, when you divide, you'll get
Sir,
3x.
D, sir.
3x.
sir,
Option
3x,
D.
sir.
Very good.
Sir, so the option number D is correct, sir.
Yes, sir. 32nd question. Here, a plus b whole square added to a minus b whole square. When you expand this, 2ab
Sir,
term
option
will get
D.
cancelled.
2a square minus 2b square.
2A square
Wrong
plus
answer.
2B square.
2a
C,
square
sir.
2a
plus
square
2b
plus 2b
square.
square.
2A square plus 2B square.
Yes, this is wrong because the square term are positive. This
Yes, sir.
cannot be there
Sir,
because
minus into minus plus.
square is there.
2a square, 2 into 2, 2a square,
When
sir, plus
you do actual expansion, you will come across 2ab and minus 2ab. This get cancels.
Left is
So a square plus a square is 2a square. B square plus b square is 2b square.
2b square, yes, sir.
In
Minus
this,
into minus
the
equal to
square terms will get cancelled. Square terms will get cancelled. Minus of minus will become plus. You will be getting something like 2ab added to 2ab, which is positive for ab. It cannot be
option
negative
A,
for
sir. For
ab.
AB, sir.
Understood?
Yes, sir.
These two
Yes, sir.
questions are very important.
Sir, I have a
Coming
doubt.
to, yes, sir. Doubt in this?
Sir, sir, how many, not in this, sir, another answer. Sir, how many factors are there in A plus B whole square?
In a plus b whole square, we can say that there are two factors.
Two
Sir,
factors.
but only one factor is there, not sir, that A plus B only, sir, because A plus B is repeated.
In algebra, we say that there are two factors, A plus B and A plus B.
But it is A plus B, same thing is multiplied
Yeah,
to A
same
plus
thing
B.
is multiplied. We say that these are the equal roots, equal factors. These are the questions which are related to fill in the blanks. Question number 34 to 58. They are simple. The product of two terms with like signs is a dash term.
Positive.
Like terms.
Positive.
Like terms, sir.
Like term, sir.
Like term.
Positive.
Like term, sir.
Like term and second one unlike.
Positive term, sir.
The first one like
Positive like term.
If I consider
Positive
example,
terms.
product of two terms with like signs.
Positive term.
Positive.
If it is same sign but different variables, it will be not a like terms.
If I consider 2x,
Second is
product of
100.
two terms with like sign. This is positive number. This is also positive number.
Yes,
If I
sir.
multiply, I'll be getting 6xy. This is
This is also
different
positive.
than these two.
this is also positive, sir.
So it is positive, it's accepted. If you say
Yes,
that it is
sir.
like term, it is not accepted. If the question is positive, sorry, if the answer is positive term, it is accepted. If you say that it's a like term, it is not accepted. Clear?
Sir, voice is breaking, sir.
Voice is breaking. Actually, when the signal is low, I switch off my camera. I have switched off.
The audio is not clear.
Still, there is some problem.
Sir, your voice is breaking, sir.
It's for Uday or for everyone.
For everyone.
Everyone.
For
Now,
Yes, sir, it is clear.
yes, sir, now it is okay.
Now it
Sir,
is
now
okay.
it's okay, sir.
okay, let me try now. 35th question. The product of two terms with unlike sign is a
Negative term.
negative term.
Negative term, sir.
Negative term,
Suppose if
sir.
I consider
Negative
this
term.
as positive
negative.
2x minus 3y, we will be getting the product as negative minus 6xy. Correct. 36th one, it's a question related to distributive property. A times of B plus C. So A should be multiplied to
B,
B.
sir.
Here
Sir, and C.
actually it
B.
should be plus A is multiplied to C. Question itself was wrong. This should be positive.
Into C,
C,
sir.
sir.
to see.
Here A
Yes, sir.
minus
C.
B dash is A square minus 2AB plus
Whole
B
square,
square.
sir. Whole
A
square.
minus
Into
Here
A minus
Multiply
B.
to
A minus
A
B.
minus B should be
Sir.
five.
should be
Sir.
multiplied with A minus
A
B.
minus
A
B.
minus B.
Yes, sir.
Very good.
R.
Minus B to
Here it is A
Whole
plus
square,
B
sir.
into A
How much
minus B. A minus B whole square plus something, we should get A square minus B square. When you expand this, we will be getting A square plus B square minus 2AB. Now this should become minus. So what you can do is minus 2B square can be added to this. This should be cancelled. So plus 2AB can be added. So minus 2B square plus 2AB will give this result. Understood?
Yes, sir. 2B square plus 2AB.
If
Sir,
not
not
understood, let
Sir,
me,
not understood, sir.
okay sir, let me give this. This particular thing is A minus B whole square. On expansion, we get this. Correct?
Yes.
Yes. To this, I am going to add minus 2B square and plus 2AB.
Sir,
So
why,
that
sir?
this get cancels, we'll be having A square.
Okay.
B square minus 2B square is minus B square. We get this
Yes.
result. Now it's
Sir, but
clear.
we can do in a simpler way by just transposing A minus B whole square
Sir, minus 2b square plus 2ab.
Minus 2b.
No, sir. Minus 2b square plus 2ab, sir, answer.
Yes, answer. I have written the same thing now. This is the
Yes,
answer.
sir.
Sir.
Yes, Abhinav, what's the doubt?
Sir, not doubt, sir. We can just make it simple by just transposing a minus b square to the right.
Sir, we
Yes.
can make it like an equation, sir. We can keep x instead of that gap, sir.
Yes, what you are saying is absolutely correct. We can take this as something x, which is equal to a square minus b square. Now x
Yes,
will
sir.
be equal to a square minus b square minus of a minus b whole square.
Yes, sir.
So a square minus b square, when you expand this, we get minus a square minus b square plus 2ab.
Yes, sir.
A square get cancelled. You will be getting minus 2b
Minus 2b
square
square.
added to
Minus 2b
2ab.
square plus 2ab.
Yes.
Same result.
Yes.
Yes,
Yes, sir.
we can do this. Correct. Very good.
Sir.
Coming to 40th question. There is a minus b whole square minus 2ab. This will be equal to what?
Sir, a square plus b
A square plus b square plus 4ab.
No, sir. This is the answer. A square plus b square.
Sir, minus 2ab and plus
minus 2ab will get
how much, sir? And
Yes, sir. Yes. I have added 2ab, sir, extra.
Correct, sir. 2ab and minus 2ab term, they get cancelled. Very good.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
They'll
Coming
get
to
cancelled.
41 question. It is identity.
AB, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. It is identity, sir.
Sir,
Correct.
AB.
Yes, sir, into AB. Yes, sir.
The product of two polynomials is a
Polynomials.
Polynomial, sir.
Polynomials are same.
polynomial.
Polynomial. Sir,
Uh,
polynomial.
is it
No,
a
sir,
monomial? Is it a binomial? Is it a trinomial?
Yes, it's polynomial.
Sir,
So when you get the doubt, no, you just mention polynomial. Monomial is also a polynomial. I had said.
yes,
It comes
sir.
under polynomial, sir.
Sir,
If you just
you want
mention
my
polynomial, I'll
example,
give
sir?
you. Don't worry.
Sir, it can be monomial also, sir.
It cannot
Yes,
be
sir.
monomial. No.
Sir, if we multiply 2xy into 6xy, sir, we will get 12x square y square, sir. It is a monomial.
Sir, but when we multiply binomials, it will become binomial will come under polynomial, sir. So binomial to binomial will give binomial, no, sir.
Binomial, trinomial, all
Question
comes
they have
under
given
polynomial.
polynomials. No.
Sir, we can write overall polynomial, sir, because
Sir,
polynomials,
you want my
binomial
example,
also a
sir?
type of polynomial, sir.
Yes, sir.
Here they
In
have
the
given
general
two
term,
polynomials. Which one you will take? You can take monomial, you
all
can take binomial, you can take trinomial also.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Give one example, sir. So you can
Here is
understand.
an
Sir, we can
example
write
for this is an example for binomial. On multiplying,
Yes,
we
sir.
are getting three terms now. Trinomial we are getting.
Sir.
If two monomials are multiplied, you will get monomial. If binomials are multiplied, we can get trinomial. So
Yes,
when
sir.
doubt is there, it's better you write it as polynomial.
Polynomial.
Yes, sir. The product of two columns. Polynomial.
X, sir.
43rd
Sir, x, sir.
question.
X, sir. X.
X.
is common.
Sir, x is common.
Sorry, X is
Okay.
common, sir.
Correct. So x,
Common
if
factor.
you take out, you'll be getting ax plus b. So x is a common factor. Very good. The factorized form
Sir,
of
2mn.
Sir, 2mn
2m
2m is common, sir.
2m times of 9 plus
5p.
plus 5p.
2m is common, sir. 2mn.
Hmm.
5
9 plus 5p, sir.
9 plus
9
5p,
Sir,
sir.
9 plus 5p. Yes, sir.
Is it correct?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
We can take care of 4y square.
2y
No, sir.
minus 3 whole cube, sir. And 2y minus 3 whole square, sir.
This is in the form of identity.
A minus b whole square, sir.
Yes, sir.
2y minus 3 whole square, sir.
This first
Sir,
term can be written
A
as
minus
2y
square
whole
identity,
square.
sir, it is.
sir, 2y
Y
square,
minus
sir.
3 whole
Minus,
square.
First term is 3 square, middle term is 2
sir,
into
square.
2
2y.
3 into
2ab, sir.
To 3
So
2y
it
minus
is
3
something
whole
like
square.
2y minus 3 whole square.
square.
Yes, sir.
Yes. 46th.
2x square yz, sir.
Sir, 2x
Square.
x
yes sir
square
2x square yz.
Sir, sir, it is, yes, sir. It is
x
equal to
square
square.
z only, not y, sir.
Sir, y will not leave. Sir,
Y
Sir,
square will get cancelled.
Sir, y will not.
Yes,
Yes, sir, y square and y
Y
square will get
square will
cancelled.
get cancelled. One of the
No,
x will
that's
get
fine.
cancelled. We will be getting x square. This 19
Z.
2 times. So 2 times of x square z.
Yes, sir. 2x square z.
Okay, sir. Question
24x
47.
The 24xyz.
Volume is length into breadth into height. We need to multiply
Yes,
each
sir,
one of
2x
them.
into 3y into 4z, sir.
X, Y,
The
Z.
24xyz.
Very
Yes,
good.
sir.
Very
24 X, Y, Z.
Sir,
y z. Now we have a square minus b square form, which is a minus b into a plus b.
A
Which
plus
is
b sir 67 plus 37.
47,
what is
sir.
the difference of this? 30 is the
Sir,
difference.
3120, sir.
Sum of
3120.
this
30 multiplied to 104.
104, sir.
104.
3120. 3120, sir.
3120.
Zero.
Correct?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, correct. This is again a square minus b square.
103 plus 102.
103 plus 102.
102.
Dhruv is crying.
205, sir. 205.
205.
205.
Sir, it is
205.
205, sir.
One.
Minus 1, sir.
Sir,
My-
Yes, sir. Into 1.
205.
Sir,
Yes, sir.
205, sir. Yes, sir.
Correct. Area of rectangular plot.
Sir 12x square y square.
12x square y square.
12 x square y square. Area is always length into breadth. Volume
Yes.
is always length, breadth, and height.
LBH.
Here, volume of a rectangular box with length equal to breadth equal to height equal to 2x is.
8x cube, sir.
8x cube.
Very
Sir,
good.
yes,
8x cube.
sir. Because 2 into 2 into 2 is.
Minus 37, sir.
Uday, you are forgetting that x is also there. 2x into 2x into 2x, which is 8x cube.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Coefficient in
Minus
this.
37.
Minus
Sir
37.
minus x minus 1
Hey,
minus
minus
3
37, man.
and minus 37.
Okay.
2, sir. 2.
Sir, coefficients are there.
3, sir.
2, sir.
3,
2
sir.
terms.
Minus
3,
37.
sir.
2 terms, sir. 2 terms.
3.
Shobhan says 3 terms. When you multiply Shobhan, it has to be multiplied to
Sir
both.
2 terms.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
2
2
terms.
terms, sir.
Hey, no, you should not multiply to both.
Yes, sir. In bracket only we should
Only
multiply.
with BC, sir.
This should be
A square
multiplied.
plus BCD.
Okay, a square plus BCD. This is the product. Here
Yes,
there
sir.
are 2 terms.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Sir, 2 terms.
34th.
32 AB, sir. 32 AB. 32 AB.
Why
Sum
32?
of area of 2 squares.
Sir, you're asking sum of 2 squares. One square is 16
Yes,
AB.
sir. 4 square.
Yes sir.
4
One of
square.
them is 16 a
Into
square
sir.
B square.
plus
Plus
16
B,
b
sir.
square. This is the answer, no?
Yes,
No,
sir.
sir. A, B, sir.
Sir
It cannot be 32.
No.
16ab plus 16ab.
16 into A square plus B
Two-
square.
Or we can write it as 16 times of a square plus b square.
A square plus B square, sir.
Correct?
We can write 32 AB because B also is there, no, sir. But both are same, no, sir.
No, both are not same, no? One is having side as A, other is having B. Then
Side as B, sir.
Sir, but square has all sides are equal. 4A is
Sir,
equal to 4B. Here, sir.
16 square and 16 b square, sir.
Abhinav, according to this, there are 2 different
2
squares.
squares.
The squares are different.
Okay, sir.
Okay, 55th. The common factor method of factorization for a polynomial is based on dash property.
Distributive, sir.
Sir, distributive.
Distributive property.
Very good, distributive property. Already property is there. Distributive. Question 56.
Sir, 3y, sir.
3y, sir.
3y, sir.
41.
Can you give
No, sir.
explanation?
The 3y into 3y is 9y,
12,
9y
sir, and
sir.
Sir, the side of the square of
side
A
Side
equal to side into side, sir.
Yes, side into side. Correct. On
X plus
simplification of
square, sir.
this.
X plus 1, sir.
Sir, x plus 1.
Very
Yes, sir.
good.
Yes, that's one.
Factorization of this.
Sir, 2x 2y.
2x times
2
X plus 2y.
X 2y.
2y.
2 times of x plus 2y.
Yes, sir.
Now very boring one.
True or false?
True or false?
We go fast, sir.
First one false, sir.
The first one is
Second
false.
one false,
False.
sir.
I should
False.
ask with Uday.
A square plus B square plus 2AB, sir.
I should ask with Uday only because yesterday was asking me whether this is true or false. Yes, Uday?
Sir?
Is it true?
False, sir.
Why, sir?
Sir, sir, there plus 2AB should
Is
come,
remaining.
sir. Yes,
Plus
sir.
2ab also should be there. Okay, sir. 60th, is it true? A minus b whole square is a square minus b square.
False, sir. False.
No, sir, false.
Plus b square, sir, and minus
False,
2
Say a square plus b square minus
is also
2ab.
false, sir.
When we expand,
Next one
actually
is
we
true,
get
sir.
this.
Minus 2ab, sir.
True, sir.
Is
True.
this correct?
True, sir. True, true.
Yes, sir.
True.
Yes, it is true.
False, sir.
Product of two
False, sir.
negative terms.
False, sir.
Should be
Positive.
Positive.
It
positive
is
terms.
positive
Two
term.
negative terms is a positive sign. False.
True, sir.
So 63rd is true. True, sir.
Sir, true, sir.
True, sir.
Positive. Yes, sir. True, sir. True.
Ganesh, why it is true?
Minus into plus minus.
Minus, sir.
Ganesh, why it is true?
Because minus into plus is equal to minus.
Because one is negative, other is positive. Minus into
Positive, yes,
plus
sir.
is negative.
Minus.
So it
Yes,
is
sir. Plus into minus
Yes,
is
sir.
equal to
True,
minus.
True, sir.
true, sir.
Yes,
True,
sir.
sir.
True, sir.
True, sir.
Positive of minus 6. X square y square is equal to minus
True, sir.
6. Sir.
Yes, sir. True, sir. It is.
true. Sir.
False, sir.
This
False,
is
sir.
a binomial
Trinomial,
Sir.
sir.
False.
False, sir.
because it is a trinomial.
Yes, sir.
If the question
Trinomial.
is now listen, if the question is same thing given is a polynomial, what is the answer?
True,
True,
sir.
sir.
True, sir.
True, sir.
If I change the question as p square q is a polynomial, what is your answer?
Yes, sir.
True, sir.
True, sir.
Polynomial, sir.
Sir, inside polynomial only there are sectors like monomials.
See, I said in the beginning that monomial, binomial, trinomial, they are all polynomial.
Yes.
The
Sir,
fact
false.
Sir,
is
is there quadrinomial?
False, sir.
Sir, how
It should
the
be
p square q is a
False.
false, sir.
polynomial?
False.
False, sir.
Uday, in class 9th you will learn this as a polynomial having one term.
Okay.
Okay, sir. 66th.
False, sir.
Sir,
False, sir.
Sir, because it should
Is
be
equal
a minus b into a minus b. Sir.
Yep.
is plus b square plus 2ab is equal to
A minus b whole square.
It should be the minus
Hmm.
minus a b square, sir. A minus b square.
Sir, in 65th, if there are two terms,
Yes, sir.
then also it will be called as polynomial, sir.
Yes, sir. Then also it is called as polynomial.
Yes, thank you.
Ganesh, h is a factor of 2 pi times of h plus r. Is it true?
So h is a
Sir.
false, sir.
Is a factor.
True, sir. True, sir. True, sir.
Yes, sir,
sir.
it is a factor.
Sir, this is the surface area of cylinder.
Yes, sir.
Answer is false.
2 pi h plus r.
Sir, there are two also, sir.
False, sir, it is.
It is false.
sir,
The
because-
reason I'll tell you. 2
Sir,
is a
H is a
factor.
2 is
5 is a
multiplied
factor.
with H and R, sir.
H plus R is a factor.
So
Yes,
H
sir.
plus R should come, sir.
2
Sir,
is
but we
a
can
factor.
further simplify by
5 is
2
a
by H plus
factor.
Yeah,
by I.
H is
yeah,
bracket,
H
sir.
2 5 plus R should come, sir.
Don't separate this H and
Yes,
R.
sir.
Should not be
Bracketed, sir.
separated. It is H plus
Yeah,
R.
bracketed.
Okay, sir.
Question number 68. Sum of the factors of n square by 2 plus n by 2 are 1 by 2, n and n plus 1.
Wow. True.
I don't know whether it is true or false. Better
So it
if
is
we
false.
write this n square by 2 plus n by 2. Then take the factors. In
Yes, sir.
this,
Sir,
there
sir,
is
it is
n
false,
by
sir.
2 common.
Yes, sir.
If n by 2 is taken common, we will be getting n plus 1.
1
The
N
same
plus 1.
thing I can write as 1 by 2 into n plus 1. Can I
Yes,
write
sir.
like this?
Sir, sir. True, sir.
Yes, sir.
Now you say true or false.
True, sir.
True.
True, sir.
True,
Sir.
sir.
Very good, very good. So directly it was not possible for us to decide. So we had factorized here.
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir. True, sir.
Statement 69.
True, sir.
N
The
The
equation.
true.
equation is true for all values of its variables.
Yes, sir.
Yes,
True.
sir. True, sir.
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
What if it is
All
in minus sign,
equations
sir?
contains
No, sir.
coefficients,
Not
variables,
the
and
identity is
values.
true for all variables.
Only identities are true, sir.
Suppose if I take an example like 2x minus 5 is equal to 0. According to this statement, an equation is true for all values of its variable. Is it true for one?
No, sir.
No, sir.
No,
Left
sir.
hand side will be minus 3, right hand side is 0.
Yes, sir.
So it is not true, no?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
Yes, sir. Not true.
Yes, sir.
This is true only for x is equal to 5 by 2.
Yes, sir.
No,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
When other numbers
So
also
how
true, sir.
LHS is minus 3?
Why it is minus 3?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
2
sir.
into 1 minus 5. It is 2 minus 5.
2 minus 5
So
is
it
equal
is
to minus
minus
3.
3.
Minus 3.
See, you have to look at the statement here. An equation is true for all values of its variable. In this
False.
equation, for x is equal to 5 by 2, it is true. For x is equal to 1, x is equal to 0, it cannot be true. So the
Yes, sir.
statement
False.
is
False, sir.
False.
yes. Moving on to statement 70.
Sir, false, sir.
Why,
Sir,
sir?
false.
Sir, false,
False.
sir. Yes.
Sir.
Is equal to x plus a
Sir,
multiplied
B
to x.
should not be written, sir. X plus AB, sir, in the case, sir.
Not that, sir. A plus B is not there no here. It is x plus A, x
Yes, sir.
plus B.
Okay,
Yes, sir. X plus A.
So it is directly, you have to look at the identity. So it doesn't match. This right hand side doesn't match.
Yes, sir.
Statement number 71.
11 p,
Sir,
sir.
11 PQ.
7P.
Is it not p square
Yes,
q
sir.
square?
No,
No,
sir.
sir.
No,
One,
sir.
one,
No, sir. The
False,
smallest
sir.
value of
11
P
PQ.
is 1, sir.
P square Q is
And
a
smallest value of Q is also 1, sir.
Here we have only p.
yes, sir.
Here we have
Yes,
only
sir.
q.
It's a false sentence.
Yes, sir.
11 PQ.
Sir.
Therefore, 11 pq must have been
11
there.
PQ should be written, sir.
False statement.
So the
False, sir.
statement
Sir, it
is
is a false statement.
okay, sir.
False.
Sir,
True.
sir, true, sir. True.
True.
True, sir.
True, sir.
Common factors. When they give question like this, we can actually think of dividing each of the terms. If it is
With four.
divisible, we can say that it's a common factor.
Yes, sir. It
So
is
the statement
divisible,
is
sir.
Okay,
true.
minus L.
Why can't it be 4AB, sir?
It cannot be 4AB because
32 is
32
not
is not
having-
having
Because
a
minus
variable.
32 is there, sir.
Naman, 32 is not having a variable, it's only number.
Okay, sir.
Okay,
Not, sir.
73rd
73 false, sir.
statement.
False.
False, sir.
False. Because it should be a square and AB plus
Minus
AC.
A, 3A bracket, minus A plus B plus.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Sir, it is false, sir, because
False.
It should
If
be a
3A
plus
is
C, sir.
taken common,
Plus B plus C.
positive
if 3A is
3AB
taken
and
common, minus A
positive
remains,
3
that
and
is
C, sir.
okay.
Plus
B
AB
should be
Plus
written,
B
sir.
Plus
Plus
AP
B
Plus
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 C
AC.
remains.
plus
plus
C.
C should come,
Sir,
sir.
Yes,
they
plus
wrote
C.
minus on the both sides, sir. So it is wrong, sir.
False, sir. It is
These two symbols, if it is
False.
positive, it would have been true. Now the statement is false. Correct?
Yes, sir.
yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
False, sir. False.
This one.
False, sir. Because minus 12 into plus 18 is equal to minus number becomes a real root plus
P
number.
square plus 30.
Yes, sir.
Product doesn't match.
Must be negative.
Yes.
Yes, sir.
When we do this, actually we get 6p.
Yes, sir, son.
So P plus
When
P is
you
equal to P square,
multiply,
sir.
And
Then
we
we will
get
get
minus
plus into minus minus, sir.
216, sir. Minus 200.
It is false, sir.
what is 12 18 times?
Sir, 12 18 times.
260.
260.
Sir,
216.
216, sir. 216.
So when you factorize p square plus 6p minus 216, this would be true.
Yes, sir.
Therefore, the given statement is false.
Sir, because it should be P square plus 30.
Sir,
75
75
Sir,
true,
the
sir.
difference
We
of all
learned square and square root, sir.
True, sir.
True, sir.
Yes, sir.
Sir,
the
true,
difference
sir.
of the
So
squares.
some difference is
Shoban, why it is true?
Sir, because we should always multiply. There is a formula, sir. We learned in square and square root, sir. That if the difference is their sum, sir. Like a plus 1 and a we should minus a. It is their sum, sir.
I
Sir,
didn't.
you can check arithmetic is also in the paper, sir. 3 square minus 2 square will be
Difference
equal to
of
5, sir.
the consecutive numbers is the same.
Five
103 square minus 102 square.
Sir, 2 square and 3 square will become. Sir, 4 square and 5 square, sir. There
Numbers,
is
sir, not other numbers, sir. Two
by
consecutive.
adding 4 and 5
Square minus
13,
square is equal to
49 we
40
consider this.
49 minus 36 will be
39
equal
minus
to
36 will be
13.
13.
13, sir.
13, sir. Yes, sir. 13.
12 plus 6 is equal to 13, sir.
Yes, sir. It is true.
Yes,
Sir.
sir.
Yes, sir.
It's true. Huh?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. 7 plus 6 is
So it is true
13, sir.
for all the numbers.
Yes, sir.
In last exam, you did this question, sir.
In the last exam, did you write
Yes,
this?
sir. We can also
Yes, sir.
Sum of the
7
number.
plus
4 square and 5 square, sir. 4 square
The
is
statement
16,
is
sir.
true.
5 square is 25, sir.
Yes, sir.
25 minus 16 is equal to 9, sir.
False, sir.
Yes, sir.
76
Sir, true,
false.
sir. Sir, true, sir.
False.
3A plus 3B plus.
False, sir.
Sir,
Statement, sir.
sir, true, sir. We can add, sir. Sir, true, sir.
Ganesh says it is true. Shoban says it is false.
So we
True,
can
sir.
add the terms, sir. We can add, sir.
True statement, sir.
They are on the same term.
We have 3 ABC, sir.
Sir,
3 cubes,
It is
sir.
a monomial.
yes, sir.
The
It's
statement is
monomial, sir.
Yes,
Sir.
sir.
Yes, sir. 3 ABC.
77th.
The question will be 1, sir.
1, sir.
Once.
No, sir. P
Sir,
square divided by 9.
should come,
P
sir.
by 3 whole square, sir.
Square by 9, sir.
Sir,
If
P
you
by
divide, what do
P
we get?
square by 9.
Sir.
P
P
square
square
by 9,
divided
sir.
by 9.
P square by 9, sir. Or P by 3 whole square.
P by 3.
Whole
When
square.
you divide this, It has to be multiple of its reciprocal.
The reciprocal, sir.
P into
P square by 9.
Square by 9.
P square by 9.
Quotient
square
is
by
9
9,
is wrong, so the statement is false.
Yes, sir.
yes.
Yes, sir, false.
P square by 9.
Sir. Quotient is
What is the value of P?
The sum of 51 and 49 will be
It is
LHS, sir.
A square minus B square, A plus B
We should add it, sir.
into A minus B.
True.
100 into
100
200.
100 into 2, sir.
2.
True.
So it is
True,
true.
sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, the statement is true.
27.
79th.
False, sir. False.
False, sir.
Sir, it is false, sir.
9 should be multiplied by minus 51 also, sir.
51 divided by 9 is not possible.
51 will not be divisible by 9,
9,
sir.
sir. Yes, sir. Sir, it is false.
9x should be divided by 9 minus, this is minus 51
divided by 9.
1 by 9. Yes,
Sir.
sir.
Actually, it has been
Yes,
51 by 9.
Yes, minus 51 by
9,
9.
sir. False.
So the statement is false.
Value of
80th.
1 square plus 1 is 4.
Sir, false.
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 I say it is
Yes, sir.
true.
True, sir.
Why it is true?
Sir, it is true, sir.
Why it is true?
Sir, A into A square, sir, it will become A raised to
Minus into plus is minus.
minus, sir.
Again minus into plus
becomes
is minus, sir. Say A power minus 1, sir.
I have underlined this A plus 1 into A minus 1.
A minus 1, sir.
So it will become A square
minus 1.
minus
A
B
It is
square.
like A square minus 1, no?
Minus 1, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes.
What is remaining in this right here? A square
square
plus
plus
1.
Plus 1.
Now if you use the identity, it is A
A
square whole
power
square minus 1 square.
minus 1.
Sir.
It is
A4
same
minus
as
E to the power
A
4.
raised to the power
Yes,
4
sir.
minus 1.
Sir,
Is
minus into minus plus, sir. Plus 1 should come.
no, sir. Minus
No,
1
sir.
whole square.
Minus
Plus
into
plus minus
plus
minus
to
minus
minus,
sir.
minus into plus.
Ashutosh, are you convinced with the answer?
Yes, sir. Sir, minus 1 into minus 1, it will be plus 1, sir.
Sir, it is not
Actually,
minus 1, sir.
it
Minus
is
into
minus
plus
of
is
1
it?
square.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Yes,
When
sir. Minus
minus
2.
of 1
Minus 1
square
into
is
minus
there,
1 is equal to
minus into 1 square should be considered.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Asini, what is the
Minus
doubt?
positive.
plus minus will become.
Asini, what is the doubt?
So it is in the bracket, sir.
You are
So we should
asking.
consider 1 into 1.
Asini,
1 into 1. Minus 1.
Sir, I didn't get question 78.
78.
Yes, sir.
78 is not understood.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. The
I'll read
value of
it again.
positive.
Look at only left hand side. In the left hand side, it is something like A square minus B square, which is A plus B into A minus B.
Yes, sir. A minus B.
A minus B, sir.
51 square
51
minus 49 square is 51 plus 49
plus 49, sir.
into 51 minus
51
49.
minus 100 into 2, sir.
100 into 2. Now look at right hand side. They have
100
given
is 2.
100p. So what should be p?
Equal to
200 divided by 100.
2, sir.
2.
Sir, P is 2,
In
sir.
the place P,
P
should be 2, sir. They
If
have
you-
given, sir.
If you are thinking that 100p will become 1002, it is wrong. The reason is it is something like 100 multiplied to p.
P.
Understood?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Hasini did not answer. She was telling something. Meanwhile, she disappeared.
Hello, sir.
Hasini, are you there?
Yes, sir.
Yes. What is the doubt?
That 79th comes doubt, sir.
79th, we have a doubt. All right. In the 79th, what happens is we have to divide this 9x by 9 and also you have to divide this 51 by 9. 9x by 9 will give x because the 9 get cancels. Whereas minus 51 by 9, you cannot cancel that and you will not get minus 51. So it is false.
X minus 51 by 9 we will get, sir.
Understood, sir.
Yes, sir. We got the answer.
Yes, sir. Sir, which is the
Any
next
doubt?
last chapter?
Sir, I understood, sir.
Sir, another
Very
20
good.
questions.
Do revision, sir. On
Sir, which is
Addition,
the
sir.
next chapter, sir? Which is
Will you
next
put this question and try?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Yes.
yes, sir. We can do.
Sir, except rational numbers, all chapters are there, sir.
Correct. All chapters are there.
Sir, which is next maths chapter, sir?
Present answer, sir.
Which is the next chapter?
Yes, sir.
Comparing quantities over.
Direct and inverse
I
proportion,
have
sir.
taken this. So better I'll
So
start
do
with.
So we will do revision on next chapter, sir.
yes, sir. Do revision, sir, for exam.
PG2.
See, this is also there in the exam. It's a revision only.
Yes, sir.
Yes,
NCERT
sir.
exam.
So factorization also come in exam, sir.
Look at these questions here. So how many questions you will feel? So many questions are there.
Yes, sir.
Dozens
So
of questions, sir.
To
100
questions,
Big
sir.
questions.
100 questions.
The exemplar online, sir.
All 13 questions.
Here I have pasted 98th question. There are still more. Around 127, 128 questions are there.
Yeah, yes, sir. Yesterday you showed 127 questions.
Yes, sir.
So what is the answer of 98?
Area of
What is the answer of
Now to find
98, sir. 98.
9x plus 6x, 6y.
last
sir.
ones.
98.
I think you will also do this type of revision. Huh? You will solve
Yes,
first
sir.
question
Yes, sir.
directly, last question, chapter over.
3x plus 4y whole square, sir. 3x
No,
plus
sir.
3x
Chapter
plus
did not
4y whole
answer.
square.
We'll
I
solve
will
3x
all
plus
the
4y.
short questions, sir.
have square, 9
3x
square.
plus 4y whole square, sir.
It is side
No, sir.
square they have given.
Only 3x plus
Yes,
4y,
sir.
sir.
They have
3x
given the
plus
area. That is side square.
whole square.
This can be written as 3x whole square.
3x whole square, sir.
Last term can be written as 4y whole square.
4x whole square.
Yes, sir.
Middle
square,
term 2 times of 3x multiplied to 4y.
3 into
4x.
Yes, sir. 4y. Yes, sir. 4y.
So it is in the format of a plus b whole square.
One side
Yes,
is
sir. A
3x.
square plus 2ab plus b square.
So the side is 3x plus 4y.
3x plus 4y.
4y.
Sir, can you show like this application of a square minus b square, sir?
A square minus b square.
Sir, here there is a plus b whole square application.
If you have the
So we
rectangle,
can change the side. Plus 24xy. We can make it minus 24xy, sir.
what is the area here?
16 units.
16, sir.
So the
Is
area
there
of the square is 1 for this.
5 plus 3 into 5 minus 3.
Yes, sir.
I have just given a numerical example. You will find other examples also.
Okay,
Yes.
sir. Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir.
Session ends here. Only some time is left.
Yes. Bye, sir. Thank you, sir.
Yes, sir. Thank you,
Thank
sir. Bye, sir.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir.